Till now we saw Adhyatma, Man, Pran and Vak in Adhyatma. Now they will see in Adhibhut. Let us read now few mantras. Page 346. 346, mantra number 4. So we will read 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And I will summarize it. I will not go word by word. Word by word I will go when some Vedantic topic comes. Taryo loka eta eva Vag evayam lokah manoantariksha lokah प्राणोऽसौ लोकः त्रयो वेदा एत एव वाग्ऋग्वेदः वागेव ऋग्वेदः मनो यजुर्वेदः प्राणः सामवेदः देवाः पितरो मनुष्याः एत एव वागेव देवाः मनः प्रपितरः प्राणो मनुष्याः पिता माता प्रजा एत एव मनः एव पिता वाङ् माता प्राणः प्रजा विज्ञातं विजिज्ञास्यम् अविज्ञातम् एत एव यत्किञ्च विज्ञातं वाचः तद्रूपं वाग्मी विज्ञाता वागेनं तद्भूत्वा अवति यत्किञ्च विजिज्ञास्यं मनसस्तद्रूपं मनो हि विजिज्ञास्यं मन एनं तद्भूत्वा अवति यत्किञ्च अविज्ञातं प्राणस्य तद्रूपं प्राणो ह्यविज्ञातः प्राण एनं तद्भूत्वा अवति तस्यैवाचः पृथ्वी शरीरं ज्योतिरूपम् अयम् अग्निः तद्यावत्येव वाक्तावती पृथ्वी तावानयमग्निः. Actually, I should have read till 10th only. So, till from 4 to 10th is the description of Adhibhut. And I will try to summarize that. Adhibhut. And then 11, 12, 13 is Adhidev. And third was Adhyatma. Of what? Of the three last annas. Three annani, mana, pran and vak. All are in three. Okay. So what is there? So, everything is interconnected here. Adhibhut, Adhyatma, all are interconnected. Therefore, when sun is not there, outside sun, tamogun comes inside. This human being is there, tries to get awake. Animals all sleep early, get up early also. Birds also get up early. They say also early bird catches the worm. Early bird catches the worm, late owl milks that. So this is connected. Outer moon and inner moon is connected. Therefore all fast start mainly from Dashmi, Ekadashi, Dwadashi, Trayodashi, Chaturdashi, Purnima, Amavasya. Moon dominated area is there. And moon has influence on mind. And therefore to reduce the influence of mind, because moon is full moon, therefore lunatic asylums on these days are very different. Therefore lunatic has come from lunar. They saw the effect of the moon on the mind. You will not know it unless you observe. Others may you can see what is the effect on these days. One should take a reading also. So this is interconnected. Outside air and inside air is interconnected. Okay. We all are interconnected. Interconnected. So there is a symbiotic relationship. Symbiotic, like we have symbiosis here. All body is connected. If kidney is not functioning, it will affect everything. Okay. If hand is not functioning, it will affect other area also. Multiple organ problem can be there. This is one corollary, implication. So Adhyatma, Adhibhut, Adhidev, all are interconnected. Animal, plant, human being are interconnected. You can't take out plant and live. Problem will be there. All the landslide will start happening. This is what happened. Rivers, they are tampering the river and slowly the water is affected. We polluted the rivers with that, what is it, carbon monoxide. What is that? Air con which is used. Huh? No. AC. In the AC. Huh? Huh? Fluorocarbon, which broke the ozone layer. CFC. It broke the ozone layer and dangerous rays are now coming. Interconnected. Okay. This is the Vyavharik implication. And therefore, I cannot grow at the cost of something. You can't make somebody unhappy and be happy. All are part of Virat. You can't crush one part and grow with another part. Paramarthik standpoint is very beautiful. They say whatever is interconnected is dependent on each other. Yat anyo anya ashritaha tat mithya. What is dependent on something else for its existence, that is aswatantra, and it is mithya. The definition of mithya is mitha siddham, which is proved by something else. So that is called mithya. So from paramarthik drishti, all are chunki dependent on each other, therefore they are not true. Because truth has to be independent. Truth doesn't need a face. Makeup needs a face. Lie needs the truth. But truth doesn't need a lie. Somebody says, no, he is speaking lie. That means something must be truth. Without truth, you can't speak lie also. To speak a lie, something should be true. But somebody is speaking truth, you can't say what is a lie. But for the lie, you have to ask what is the truth. If this is lie, what is the truth? So, makeup needs a face. Face does not need a makeup for its existence. So, what is dependent on other for its existence is false. Now, let me come back to this thing. So, I'll condense it in short. Third mantra, Annam was taught at individual level. Now in the fourth mantra, three lokas are taken. Bhur Bhuva Suva. Bhu is Vak, Bhuva is Mana, and Suva is Pran. Trayo loka ete eva vag eva ayam loka. So whole world is Vag. And Manaha Antariksha loka, yeah, intermediate. And Pran Asau loka, Asau means Swarg loka. Okay. Now all are mentioned, we just here, don't worry about that. In the fifth mantra, it is said Vak is Rig Veda and Manah is Yajur Veda and Pran is Sam Veda. Not Sham Veda, it is Sam Veda. So Manah, Vak, Pran. And therefore in the mind only mantras are there. In Taittiriya comes, mind only mantras are there. In sixth mantra, what is said? Sixth mantra. Vak is Devata, Man is Pitra, and Pran is Manushya. Devaha Pitraha ete Vage man Devaha Manah Pitra, Prano Manushya. This is sixth mantra. Seventh mantra. Vak is Mata. Vag is Mata, Man is Pita, Man ev Pita, Pita Mata, Praja ete. And Pran is Praja. Therefore, from mother you have to heard lot of, therefore mother tongue came. Father tongue is not there. Because mother only will speak a lot. Somebody told because she doesn't allow the father to speak. But mother tongue only, you ask what is your mother tongue? आपकी मातृभाषा क्या है? ये नहीं बोले कि पितृभाषा क्या है? Because mind alone he has heard maximum from the mother only. Supposing mother is Punjabi and father is Gujarati. The child is likely to speak more Punjabi only. And therefore, Mata is Vak. You can relate, I have less time, but when you start thinking, there are a lot of points in that. And it is written, Manev Pita. But house runs because what father wants, that will happen. Well, I want money. Well, ask father, I can't give that. If you do something wrong, I'll tell to him when he comes back from the office. This is the threaten the child. Well, you are making very naughty today, I will tell to the father now. And then you will understand what will happen. No, don't tell. So, Man ev Pita. and Praja is Prana. Activity is in Pran. Children are in, activity is there in the house because of the children. If children are not there, house becomes very quiet and quite dull. And this is there. This is seventh mantra. Eighth mantra. Eighth mantra says, Vak is Vigyatam. Whatever is known is Vak. Second, mind is Vijigyasyam. Vijigyas means potentially what can be known is mind. Because mind has a lot of possibilities. Lot of potentials to know new things. 100 years back, studies were very different. And now it is very different. If you have to teach 8th class student also, supposing, so you have to first read his book, what his book is saying. It has become different now. Earlier homework were on the paper and pen, now it is online. Results used to come in the newspaper earlier. Now it is all online. So it has all changed a lot. Vijigyasyam. So man is Vijigyasyam and Pran is Avigyata. Pran is protecting by not showing itself. Pran is protecting by not showing itself. Okay, so mind, Vacha, so what is Vigyatam? What is known is by speech. And then last word is written, Phalshruti is there, 8th mantra, please see, 347. Vag enam bhutva avati. So Vag enam bhutva, speech only protects. And one more line is there. वाचैव सम्राट बंधु प्रज्ञायते. Please underline that. Page 347. Last but one paragraph, it is in quotation mark. Vachaiva Samrat Bandhu Pragyayate. His Samrat, this is told, his Samrat, a person is known by his speech. देखो कितनी सुंदर बात लिखी. A doctor earns because of his speech. Okay. In the university is running because of the speech. House is beautiful because of the speech. Wife is good wife because of the speech, not because she is good looking or she cooks good. Okay. Teacher is good teacher because of the speech. कैसा बोला देखो. वाजैव सम्राट बंधु प्रज्ञायते. Ram ji because of the speech. Ati beneath mridu komal bani. When Ram ji spoke, everybody thought he should not stop. When Bhagwan Krishna spoke in Hastinapur, he came as the messenger of the Pandavas to plead for 5 villages. You read in Mahabharata. You know what is written there? Lot of other saints came. Lot of big people came. Why? Just to hear him. Like Atal Bihari ji was there. People used to rush to hear him. So Vacheva, through the speech you recognize a person. If Bhav Shuddhi is not there, Vani Shuddhi won't be there. Vani Shuddhi is preceded by Bhav Shuddhi. And Bhav Shuddhi is preceded by Satya Sankalp. Satya Sankalp at the intellectual level comes as Shuddha Bhav at the mental level, comes at Madhura Vacha at the speech level. And that Madhura Vacha comes as Sangathan, binding power. These 4 things follow one after another. Will I again say, I could not write. Satya Sankalp at the intellectual level, I am for the right thing. Bhav Shuddhi at the mental level. Madhura Vacha at the speech level. I have no animosity, I never thought you are a bad person. My speech is already beautiful for you. And then harmony at the Sangathan, harmony in the environment. Okay. Saurasya, Saugandh. Saurasya will be there. Saugandh will be there. In the environment of such a person. And through the speech only somebody is known. Okay. So speech is the one which protects. Kya likha hai? Please underline that. Vag enam tad bhutva avati. Ava means to protect. This speech only protects a person. And speech destroys a person also. If speech is not, speech only holds the house. Speech only holds the office. Speech only holds the person. Okay. If the person is losing friend because he is not having a proper sankalp is not good, bhav is not shuddh, and speech also is therefore not integrating, speech is not there. The big ISRO, we are talking about that. When Mr. Satish Dhawan was there in ISRO. First missile, Agni or what was there, that failed. And Abdul Kalam was there in ISRO. When it failed, Satish Dhawan, who was the chief, he went out addressed the press conference and he said, "It is my responsibility." After 2 years, they succeeded. And then in the press conference, he asked Dr. Abdul Kalam, you address it. Then he said, "It is a team that has worked." इस speech से ही बनता है काम. Okay? Talent has never bound the place together. Talent, qualification, money, okay, job, high profile person, that doesn't mind. सत्य संकल्प, सत्य निश्चय, शुद्ध भाव, मधुरा वाचा, and संगठित वातावरण, all these are together. So वाग एनम भूत्वा अवति. I hope this is clear. Oh yes, if my bhav is not good towards you, his speech will become sarcastic. It may become bitter. It may have taunts in it. I will never know that this will hurt you. This is why relations break away. Then it is said here in ninth mantra, we saw 8th mantra. So 9th mantra, Yatkincha vijigyasyam manasas tadrupam. Already this has been said. What has to be known is by the mind. What is known is his speech. What could be known is mind. Potentially known. And what is unknown is prana. So whatever is to be known, lot of things will be known in the future. That is in the mind. In the mind, intellect all combined here. It is potentially hiding in it. Achha. And therefore, this mind, which has lot of possibilities in it, it protects. How? Vijigyasya. Vijigyasya means because it has potential, then by right understanding, it protects. There is one shlok comes, it says, Na haste yashti madaya deva rakshanti manava. Devatas, if they want to protect, they don't give a stick to a person. Yam tu rakshitum icchanti subuddhaya niyojayanti tam. If they want to protect, they just give him nice, right thought and right intellect. Mahabharata, this shlok comes. Na haste yashti madaya deva rakshanti manava. Yam tu rakshitum icchanti subuddhaya niyojayanti tam. So one is his speech protects. One sorry can take away lot of problem. I am wrong, please forgive me, this can take away lot of problem. I am learning, I am still learning. This can take away lot of problem. I think maximum problem is because of his speaking. Bhagavan is so, Maya is such. On our tongue, two dangerous sense organs are placed. One is organ of eating, other is organ of talking. One spoils the body, other the relations. दोनों डेंजरस को एक ही हेडक्वार्टर में डाल दिया. मन गड़बड़ हो गया तो आदमी को कौन बचा सकता है? If my emotion is not good, calm, क्रोध is too much, who can protect me then? If my understanding is not good, who can protect me? बुद्धि नाशात् प्रणश्यति. Bhagavan Krishna is ruthless. He will not talk softly. So you know what he said? He didn't, nothing said. He said, no, if anybody's buddhi is gone, he is dead. Better he dies. बोले he is useless person. समझ में नहीं आ रही बात आपको? You are not understanding the right thing. Your wrong understanding. If anybody is destroyed, tensed, it is not because of money. Wrong understanding, wrong emotions. And same thing is written, 10th verse, Yat kincha vijigyatam pranasya tadrupam. So prano hi avigyat. Prana by being not manifest, it protects. You don't see the digestion, but prana is doing the digestion. Prana is doing circulation. Prana is pervading your body, but by hiding itself, prana protects. You are not aware also that I am breathing. And therefore, biggest example of seva is Pavan Sut Hanuman. Because all serve, but make them aware. You are not aware of the air, it is secretly serving. Everybody is breathing, but that Pavan is hiding. At least for light you want, or you put on the light. Light is not there, I can't read. There is no light today. Put on the light. But for the air you don't say, I want the air to breathe. And the biggest seva example is Pavan Sut. He serves without secretly, avijñātam. Okay. And therefore, ultimately it says, Pran enam tad bhutva avati. So, three protectors are there. Vani, mind, buddhi and pran. And pran means the kriya shakti. If I am acting something, acting in a proper manner, that good action will protect me. And remember that anything which protects can destroy also. I was telling, no, bigger is the reservoir area. More carefully handle it. Where it is written 11,000 volt, no kilowatt, here one skull would be there. And there will be one and two bones will be there. Means, don't touch it. High voltage is there. Or dams are there. Big reservoir is there. Big protection is there, it can be very, very dangerous also, if you mishandle slightly. So speech through which you can get knowledge, and mind which you can get knowledge. Be very careful, big power is there in that. Little mishandling can destroy the life. Cycle accident will not kill a person. If you fall by a cycle, you won't be killed. At the most you may get fracture, you may get bruises here and there. If a scooter and car accident is there, you may badly hurt. The car accident, more chances are there. Difficult. But if light plane accident is there, your hand and leg won't break. It is written, body was non-discoverable. It was charred beyond recognition. Zia-ul-Haq, the Pakistan president who died in an air crash, the body couldn't find in parts. They could not recognize the body also. Only some pieces they make it here and there. Bigger is the power, more carefully handled, it can finish the person. Mind is a very big power. From that power, if I talk in the material world, what you call big, you go to medical colleges, you see big operation theatres. It is only mind in manifest form. Robotic surgeries are there nowadays. Robotic surgeries. You are in America and you can do surgery in India on the computer. That is called robotic surgery. Robot enters like that. It has a hand in that. Robot. Who? It is extension of your mind. You know that Dubai there is a tallest building, क्या नाम है उसको? You know how many stories? 120. I imagine the engineer's greatness. What a foundation they must have given. And one more building is coming, which is moving now like that. All human mind. Imagine the power of human mind. You can see the power of human mind. I don't see the building there. I see the power of human mind. When they send this Chandrayaan, I don't see Chandrayaan, I see what are the greatness of human mind. That moon which is 400,000 kilometers away, still they are monitoring, sitting here on a computer. You'll be amazed to see the factories in Germany, how advancement the technology has become. It is human mind. Little mishandling can spoil the life. It is worse than plane crash. Because in plane crash, at the most, one life goes. Here, many lives will go away. And therefore, if three things are not okay, speech, mind, and pran means kriya. Action is not okay. It can destroy. And if three things are good, you can become anything. ब्रह्मा जी इज ब्रह्मा जी बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. और तो छोड़ो, हम तो यहाँ तक बोलेंगे भगवान इज भगवान बिकॉज ऑफ दिस थ्री. Because of his prana shakti, kriya shakti and knowledge also. If Bhagwan becomes ignorant, then also he would be restricted as a Bhagwan. He says, Namam karmani limpanti name karm phale spraha. Arjun, actions don't tempt me. Iti mam yobi janati karm bhirna sabhadyate. One who knows me like that is not bound by action. If mind is attached, it is full of hatred, you will lose the power. If his speech is tainted by my rag dvesh, lose. If my prana shakti is not for that, today this Ganesh Utsav is going. You know who was the man behind that? Tilak. Prana shakti was there. He wrote Gita Rahasya in the jail. That was confiscated by the jail people. They said, what are you writing? Imagine he wrote few years. Somebody asked him, supposing they are not giving what, they can take the book, not my mind. I can again write. But they gave it back. Dhyan dena. There is a lot to say and lot to read between the lines. Avati, avati, thrice it has been said. This is Adi Bhautik world. Now next three verses, 11th, 12th and 13th are Adi Devik Annam. Annam topic is going on. Oh, I forget all the time, which topic is going on. Annani is there. Okay. Fifth Brahman is going on. Only this much I remember, not that I don't know anything. Okay. We will see that in our next class.